Let's make a video. First, draw a bobby for the chicker. Now, draw a beak. Add legs for the chicker. Add a bird tail. Add one circle for his eyes. Don't forget the pupils. A curve for the wing. Add an animal. Add a jackal body, but I messed up. Don't ask white ovals. Erase the wired animal. Draw a body, upside down semicircle. Add a furry sharp tail. Fox give a legs. Add a head with a pointy face. Nose, a black circle. Eyes and pupils, a smiley mouth. A fox gives an ear. This pink fox was done. Put in the doodle right. Draw a snake's head, oval, a scribbled snake's body. Draw to eyes, circles and dots. Add to dots for nose holes. Your snake is also a master. Draw a bird body. Add one oval door the beak. Add feathers and wings. Bird wants 2 feet, a line with a curve like toes. Add an oval for eyes and pupils. Transform the bird. Draw a circle for the frog's body. Add webbed legs. Add 2 round shapes for hands. A frog needs 2 eyes and dots for pupils. A frog's mouth, you can smile. Whoa, you got a good animal friends you made. Add music for the video. Add fade, the music's end of this song. An animation, chicker spins around. Fox moves like a seesaw. Snake jiggles the body. Bird swinging with legs. Frog shakes and dances. Last, keep CapCut open and don't lock your screen. Export the video. On YouTube, add details for title.
All the animal pets We kids KRSPLI display DEO.
Is this video made for kids? Yes, I can. All the animal pets. Please subscribe your channel.